to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a French bread recipe for baguettes. Let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1.5 cups or 375 milliliters of warm water, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon honey. Activate the yeast by combining it with warm water and honey. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine about half of the flour and salt. Add in the yeast mixture. Stir until you can't anymore. Knead in more flour until you get a soft but not sticky bread dough. Knead for a few minutes. My daughter helped me with this part. Allow it to rise for an hour 3 times, kneading between each. This will make the dough lighter and fluffier than most breads. After the 3rd time, shape the dough into baguette shapes. I made 4 small baguettes, but you can do 2 long ones. Allow these to rise about half an hour. Make cuts in the baguettes with a sharp knife. You want to cut about halfway through. Bake in a preheated oven with a container of water at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then remove the container of water and bake without for another 10 minutes. This bread is soft and lovely with a nice crispy crust. It's perfect for baguette sandwiches or garlic bread or just to eat by itself. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.